On the back of this new launch, what are brokerages talking about this stock? Sonia is here with the bull and bear scenario. Hi, Sonia.
Hi, thanks a lot for that. So definitely, there's a lot of buzz around this new launch, right? Launch at a price of 10.45 lakhs. The high-end variant is all the way up to 19.5 lakhs. Now, the bookings have been very strong at 57,000. But in terms of pricing, it's slightly higher, about 50,000 rupees more than the Toyota Hyryder. So a lot of brokerages believe that the pricing is not that attractive and Maruti may find it a bit hard to penetrate this segment, which is highly competitive, the mid-size SUV segment. It already has well-established players like the Creta, and now with the Hyryder, the Kushaq, and several other players entering. It's going to be a bit tough for Maruti. So let's take a look at what brokerages are saying. Morgan Stanley has an overweight on the stock with a target price of 9839. They say that market share gains are likely. The yen depreciation, though, can provide a margin cushion. So we're looking at first the bulls and then the bear case scenario. The market share gains are likely, Morgan Stanley says, because the order book is pretty strong and Maruti is trying to plug a lot of their gaps in this sector. Nomura remains neutral. They have a target price of 8,970. They do say that they prefer M&M in this space because it's a highly competitive sector with the Creta, Seltos, Hyryder, Aster and the Kushaq to compete with, although they are expecting a 25% volume growth for the company in FY23. And they also look at how the market share of the company could improve to 43 to 44% in FY23 itself. Now to the bear case scenario. These are brokerages which in any case have been a bit bearish on Maruti. Let's start first with CLSA, where they have been slightly cautious. They do say that this is a very hard space to penetrate, the mid-size SUV segment. They have a target price of 7374 on the stock and they have a sell call over there. They say that, Maruti has been struggling with the SUV space, and since the pricing is not that great, the Grand Vitara pricing is slightly higher than the Toyota Hyryder, it may be tough for them to, move forth in this. So a bull and a bear case scenario coming through for Maruti. CLSA also says that they won't be able to gain significant market share in the SUV segment. Only time will tell how Maruti wades through this competitive segment. But for now, both bulls and bears present for the stock.
Sonia, thank you very much for that. Maruti is betting on this to grow its presence in the SUV space, something it's been lacking,